Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Odyssey wiper blades. First, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Next, look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly to disengage the old wiper blade from the arm. Carefully slide the old blade off the hook. This initial step ensures you have clear access for the replacement. Once the tab is pressed, slide the old wiper blade down and off the arm's hook. It should come off easily. Be extremely careful not to let the metal wiper arm snap back against your windshield, as this could cause damage. Many people place a towel or a thick cloth on the windshield for extra protection during this step. This simple precaution can save you from costly repairs. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other wiper blade to complete the replacement. After installing both new blades, it's crucial to test them. Turn on your wipers and spray some washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the windshield without streaks or chattering. Proper installation means better visibility and safety. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals we've found for you. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.